गुड मॉर्निंग चैम्पियंस। वेलकम टू माय चैनल बी वर्चुअसो विद साक्षी। आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि डाइसेक्टिंग बॉक्स में कौन कौन से इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं और उनका क्या क्या नेम है। ओके,
So champions, let's open the box. Here you can see many equipments. In this tray there is two scissors. Let me introduce to this scissors. This blue scissor is called dressing scissor. Its length is 12 centimeter and its ends are blunt. And this one is cuticle scissor. Its length is 10 centimeter. It is with sharp or pointed ends. Both scissors are used to cut through the organs. So this is razor. It can be seen in the shop of every barber very easily, but it is very helpful in cutting. Here there is a sharp blade. You can see it. It is used to cut. This one is a scalpel. In one end of a scalpel there is a very sharp blade. You can cut anything through it. This blade can be changed if you want, because the black one is only a handle or stand. This is chain hook. Mostly people use T-shaped hook instead of this chain hook. This is pointed needle because its one end is pointed or very sharp. I have another one also. This is also pointed needle. These are used to separate organs or used to point. This needle has arrow shaped head, so it is called arrow needle. These are also called probes. This is dissecting knife. It's a sharp cutting instrument. It is also used to cut through organs. This one is blowpipe. It is used to remove any liquor through blowing. It is hollow from inside. This is flapper. You can see the structures on its both ends. This is dissecting forceps with pointed end. Its length is 10 centimeter. It is used to lift or grasp an organ. I have another forceps also. This forceps has blunt end. It is 12 centimeter long. It has the same work as former. Here you can comparison both the forceps with blunt end and pointed end. Now you will tell me the name of all these dissecting equipments one by one before me. So this is scalpel. This is right razor. This one is forceps with blunt end. This is also dissecting forceps 10 centimeter long with pointed end. This is dissecting knife. What is this? This is pointed needle. What is this? Yeah, this is flapper. What is this? This is needle with arrow-shaped head. What is this? Yeah, this is blowpipe. This is chain hook. I hope you can recognize each and every equipment of this dissecting box very easily. So if this video is helpful for you, then like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.